I'm just like, I'm done. 1 mile. That's all I need. I got my workout for today. Perhaps a PR as well. But on to the freshman final category of miles. Just 3 more heats and 24 more laps before we turn it over to the 4x2s.
I can't see her anymore.
A nice early charge by Wissahickon in this opening freshman section. They've got Natalie Williams taking up the early pace. Get a radar on that first split if we get a chance to. But the field has come back to her after she made a hard move off of the break. Field's still relatively together. We've seen it quite significantly more bunched up than this before. But right now, taking the lead from the Easton area, that is Vivian Clark out of hip 8. She's got a narrow lead now, and it appears to be growing as she's trying to stretch the field out now. In contrast to what we saw from Williams when she had the lead, she seemed content just to let the field come back to her. Wanted to save some energy for the later laps, but Clark, she's going for it. Coming up to the 600-meter mark. Looks like we got Sophie Tate of Berkeley. Berkeley Carroll in second. And then Natalie Williams of Wissahickon still there in third, so she's not doing a bad job. Mercedes Sandoval of Abington, Ellie Thompson of O&J Roberts. She's in fourth right now, it appears. We've even got Kelsey Philibrown from Wallenpaupack. First time we've called that school's name today and all weekend, so shout out to her. Here comes the young lady from Easton. Look at that split, 2:45, so she's right on that 4:30, 5:30 pace. 4:30, that'd be on another level. U.S. number 1 right now, a 4:45.96 by Emma Zawatsky. She's a future Colorado Buffalo from Freehold Township, New Jersey. One of the top runners in the class of 2024 that we hope to have the opportunity to cover on a live stream in the near future. Wink, wink, the Ocean Breeze Invitational. Wink, wink. That'll be on February 24th, just 20 days from today, on the final Saturday of this month. But here on the first Sunday of the second calendar month, we are absolutely killing it on this first heat of 3 in the freshman red mile. Vivian Clark of Easton area, narrowly increasing her lead with every lap, keeping it sub 45. That's a good sign there. But does she have a kick saved up? The rest of the field not too distant yet. 3 girls now appear to be in a position to strike within the next couple of laps. We're going to have the final 400 shortly. Sophie Tate, Ellie Thompson of O&J Roberts. Thompson, she's back at 4th now. Final 400 at 4:14. The lead is within 2 seconds. It's now got a whole lot of interesting things to consider. Does Vivian Clark have enough? The main question. Emily Lindsay of Downingtown East has put herself right in the mix, trying to take it up in second. is now Ellie Thompson, showcasing a bit of a response. We were observing the battle for second right there, but Vivian Clark, she still looks very strong out front. She takes the bell, 4:57. Now they come into the last lap. Clark extending the gap once again. We knew somebody was going to have a kick saved up. And how impressive is it that it was the front runner all along? Don't discount the kickers from the back, though. Clark has to keep it going. She's only a second ahead now. Her lead is halved as they come down the stretch to the finish. Clark will hang on for the win. A 5:35.22. And Natalie Williams of Wissahickon. Remember, she was your early leader. She came all the way back up for second. In fact, that's unofficial, as you see that 27:22. That was not possibly your last lap. Not discounting Williams' speed, but 27, I think that would have been